Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel IstosX.
Like, comment and subscribe.
Let's begin our today's topic: 9 reasons due to which our phone battery dies so quickly.
Whether you have an iPhone or an Android smartphone, you're probably pretty familiar with the struggle to keep your smartphone running like new one.
Reason 1: the screen brightness is set too high.
Guys, it's simple. More the brightness, more the power consumption. The display of the phone consumes the most power, so better keep brightness level up to that you can see properly.
Reason 2: having notifications turned on for too many apps.
Push notifications means that apps can automatically generate a message and notify you about it, which require internet usage, screen feedback, due to which it uses more battery.
Reason 3: mobile applications stay busy in the background.
You can check out which of your apps are using the most battery power by opening the Settings app and navigating to Battery on either Android or iOS. You can disable the background activity and expect to have an easier time without recharging.
Reason 4: phone constantly search for Wi-Fi, GPS location, Bluetooth.
Your phone is constantly searching for a Wi-Fi signal, Bluetooth signal. When turned on, it can easily burn through a lot of power. If you're not expecting to connect to a Wi-Fi network, turn off them to prevent your phone from searching for a signal you won't use.
Reason 5: mobile software is not updated.
Updates to your operating system or your favorite apps can add fixes for bugs that may be contributing to your battery life problem. Make sure that you're using the latest version of the OS available, and determine that you have the latest version of your apps installed so that you benefit from the latest improvements and bug fixes.
Reason 6: when you keep your volume up of your device.
Same goes for keeping your volume all the day up. All calls, notifications we received are accompanied with the sound. So imagine how much battery got consumed just by keeping the volume up. Just turning volume down will make a big difference.
Reason 7: when auto-rotate function is always on.
This function is convenient when looking movies over YouTube or other places, but it completely dries your battery. This function works on special sensor called accelerometer, which run constantly in the background. Switch it off when there is no need for auto-rotate function.
Reason 8: when you keep bright wallpapers on your phone.
It is always exciting to find colorful and bright wallpapers, but this love can be the main reason your phone battery is drying so faster. The thing is, when each time you checked your phone the wallpapers eats your battery, and it is more worse when one use live or any other type of moving wallpapers. It is always better to go for black and white wallpaper. They look cool and serve batteries more better.
Reason 9: when you keep your phone dirty and does not clean it at regular intervals.
We clean our phone, but we need to clean the charging port as well. The charging port contains dust, which stuck inside, and when you charge your phone, it does not work. So make a habit to clean your phone for effectively charging.
We commit to posting to YouTube multiple times per week. Like, comment and subscribe if you get some knowledge.